Enjoy preparing the best home-cooked meals with this 60 by 60 high-quality cooker from Super General. Made of stainless steel with a brushed inox finish, this modern timeless design matches perfectly with every kitchen interior. The cooking range features highly efficient Europool burners equipped with flame failure safety device that let you prepare several dishes at the same time. Sturdy and elegant enamel finish grids are easy to clean and ensure longevity and durability. While the easy-to-use push-button knob controls and the auto-ignition feature provide convenience and safety when cooking. Double glass oven door provides a heat-resistant surface making it safe to touch. And the removable inner glass door of the oven cavity makes cleaning convenient. This model can operate on LPG and natural gas. The splash protection glass serves as a lid for the burners when not in use and protects your wall and tiles from splashes when cooking with oil or preparing sauces. The grill function allows you to sear or grill to perfection and enjoy restaurant-style food for the entire family. Technology, aesthetics, and simplicity has been integrated in this, made in Turkey, Super General model to bring the joy of healthy, homemade meals for the whole family. Enjoy super taste with Super General.